Alright, what's up, dudes? I'm back. Got a little bit of work to do. I'm going to show you what's going on, what we're going to be doing.
Catch 'em all.
Alright, as you can see right here, there's a gap between the shock tower and the frame rail. Sorry. You can see the gap. Now originally I was thinking that the shock tower was bent, but that is not the case. The shock tower is actually straight, because what happened is, I think when they wrecked, they straightened the shock tower, but this never got fixed. I've done grinded it, but there was a weld right here that got broke loose. And looking at this one, which you can't see, this is my little jig to help push that back to the frame rail. Literally little pieces of wood, a jack handle, and a ratchet strap to pull it down. But that should do the trick. It's pretty close, and I'm just gonna work my way from the back to the front. That way I don't work the way from the front to the back. That way it doesn't like crinkle in one spot. So let's just go ahead, and I'm sorry for the smacking, guys. I'm trying to quit smoking. I hadn't smoked in about a day and a half almost now, but I'm chewing the crap out of this nicotine gum. So I apologize if I'm smacking. If it gets on your nerves, let me know next video. I'll make sure not to chew any gum. But that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna see how much, if I can get this any better. So let's roll with it. Okay, that gap is closed pretty dang good. I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm gonna grab my welding helmet. Alright, that ain't all that pretty, but see if I can get y'all in the money shot while I'm welding, because I don't have to be that. Alright, I'm just going to throw tacks on it again just to get it set. Just an FYI, I don't think my beads are bad. Maybe I might. as bad as this sounds, this is the best I got right here, because I done been thinking about this crap. Oh hey, check that shit out. Okay, let's weld that before it decides to fall. Okay, again guys, the best of welds. All right. How's that? I also think this weld through primer isn't exactly. Got that tacked just in time, fellas. All right. Now, I'm about to weld her up. Alright dudes, I ain't gonna leave y'all like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. I just done this because I didn't do it the other day. But went ahead and ground all the paint off. Ground that down. I'm leaving this little bit of extra and a little bit of extra down there. A little bit of extra right there, a little bit of extra right there until I get it, until I get the front end. Because I don't want to cut too much off. As you can see, it don't look too bad. Not too bad. I went back, like I said, and put another bead on the bead. And that's what we got. But that's that. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for liking. It's been good talking to y'all. Y'all have been getting a little bit more sociable, for lack of better words. Until next time, do Mustangs.